Welcome back, lovely people, to another Temu video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can follow sellers here on Temu, like your favorite sellers. Maybe there is a particular product you like, you've ordered something in the past and you really like the product and the quality. I can show you follow that store, the particular store you bought it from, and also check out their other items. You might like other things they sell. Okay, let's look at something. Let's say I like this glass that I'm looking at. Maybe I've ordered it in the past and I really like the quality. You can just scroll down. You would see the store name. For this product is Green Clive. Click on it, and there you will see follow. Just click on follow. From this, you can see that they have 224 followers and they've sold over 150,000 products. You can also scroll through the page and see everything they sell in that store. There are other items they sell, and if you like anything you see here, you can add it to your cart and purchase it. So what happens? What is the benefit of you subscribing or following a store? Whenever there is a new product that is being, added to the store, or they start selling, you be notified about it. This is how to get the notification. You click on your U icon, and in this section you're going to see the following. Just click on following, and then all the stores you follow, you'll see their updates. If there's any store update, you're going to see it. I'm following a couple of stores here and they have some updates, so I'm just going to click on it. This store just added a new item and they're letting me know because I'm following their store. Okay, so yes, if you really like a store, this is another store that sells scarf, and I like their product. That's why I decided to follow them, and they have really nice things. So if you've bought anything in the past from Temu and you really like the quality of what you bought, you can follow the store and check out their other items. You might actually find other things that the store sells that you also like. I mean, just being updated on your favorite items, nothing really much to it. I just thought that I should share this because, I mean, not everybody knows about this, so why not? Anyway, if you found value in this video, thank you for watching. Please share, like, subscribe, leave a comment, and I'll definitely reply to your comments. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye.